Some good old spam tacos, y'all. Yep, spam and eggs. Spam and eggs and tortillas. And some cheese. Check me out. Alright, first I'm gonna chop up this good old spam, y'all. Put on the grill. Then I'm gonna put the eggs in there. Tortillas. Peace out. Oh yeah, time to chop this sucker up. Hi-ya! And I chop that sucker up, y'all. Check it out. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the grill. Oh yeah, I forgot I got my bell peppers and onions too, y'all. Check me out. Oh yeah, check this out, y'all. Put this right here on stir fry, y'all. Instead of cutting it all up, eyes crying and all that. You look, y'all. Yellow, red, yellow, green bell peppers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check it out, y'all. Get them all now. Give me some soul on it. Get some little cook on down, y'all. Get that nice and toast up, y'all. Check me out. Check me out. This bad boy do everything, y'all. Y'all check it out, y'all. You need to go get one. I ain't gonna lie to you, y'all. This the night right there. You see it? Yeah. Go get you one, y'all. I ain't playing. This sucker here do everything. Stew, rice, hey, grill. Hey, this it right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, y'all let them get all nice and soul on it. Be right back. Oh yeah, y'all check it out. Y'all look at this bad boy. Got it all nice and looking delicious, y'all. Ooh, yes. All right, y'all. Finna have my bell pepper and onion inside. Let them saute a little bit. Oh yeah, y'all. Check it out. Got my onions in there sauteing, y'all. Check it out, y'all. So then I already seasoned my bell peppers and onions. So then all I gotta do is pour the eggs in there, y'all, and stir that thing up, y'all. Check me out, yeah. Yeah, they nice and getting sweaty. Yes, indeed. Please subscribe. I know I'm gonna have some haters. You already know, y'all. You ain't doing nothing if you ain't got no haters. But yeah, check it out, y'all. Check this bad boy out, y'all. See, look there. Yeah, they sweaty. All that seasoning in that thing, y'all. Check me out. You know what I'm saying? Gotta love your haters. If you ain't got no haters, you ain't doing them right. But yeah, y'all. Y'all see the bell peppers and onions, y'all. Looking all so pretty, y'all. Yeah, check me out, y'all. Much love, y'all. Please subscribe. Please keep your guns put up, y'all. Please. On that note, hey, I got a lot of upgrades coming. Oh yeah, I just got my threaded barrel for my G2C, y'all. Oh yeah, that baby's nice. Oh, super nice. But yeah, check this bad boy out, y'all. Finna bust the eggs up and pour it in there, y'all. Be right back. All right, y'all, check it out, y'all. Ooh, look at them onions. Ooh, yeah, look at that, y'all. Come on now, show some love. Please don't hate. I'm just playing. I love my haters. Check it out, y'all. Got my eggs. Finna pour that thing. Oh yes, pour that thing in there. All right, y'all. And see, this don't scratch my pan, so I can just rinse it around real fast, y'all. Yeah, just like this, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all get a skylight view. Don't go too fast, go nice and slow. Nice and slow. Hey, work it like I like it low. Nice and slow. Hey, work it, Mike. Work that thing. Hey. Yeah, y'all see it. Gonna have to take it off in a minute. It is just about right. Yeah, y'all see it, just a little runny. Yeah, I know y'all like them like that. A little runny, y'all, a little wet. Yeah, that little wet. Yeah, check these out, baby. Yeah, that's it right there. That's it. One more flip, turn, serve. All right, y'all. That's it. Yeah, check that out, y'all. That's how y'all want y'all eggs, y'all. Yeah, All right, y'all. God bless. Peace out. Show some love, y'all. Please subscribe. Oh, yeah. I gotta put some cheese on that thing, y'all. Oh, yes. Hold on. I got this cheese, y'all. Oh, yeah. I got that mild cheddar. And I got this good old mozzarella. Oh, yes. Check it out, y'all. Oh, yes, baby. Send me some good, y'all. Y'all ain't playing. Shoot, look at this. Then I put that lid back on top, y'all. Oh, yeah. Watch that cheese just gonna melt, y'all. Yeah, y'all, please come on back. Please come on back. I ain't playing no games, y'all. God bless. And what I say, peace out.